Hey there. So I built a database on Notion that allows you to collect information of different AI tools. And there's also a section for Martech and GTM tools. It gives you an overview of what the tool is, a website link, what kind of product category they fall under, the use cases that will make sense for you. This is like just breaking down what would be very useful when you're doing like product marketing. But for you to even like understand and use different tools, you also need to have something like this so you know what to look for when you want to find any specific tool, right? So it breaks down into categories. These are AI agents, models, ASU, for different use cases, basically. So what I did was that I developed a workflow prompt, and just these are the instructions with an example, and this is available on the new Zapier agent feature. Is where I went into create this agent, right? So I would like to test the agent. So I'm going to add, there are a bunch of tools I've recently found, like this is SuperMe AI. It is one that helps you to create like a profile for yourself. There's also another one that helps you create a digital avatar, which is Delphi AI. And I've already added them to my list of tools. As you can see, Delphi AI, SuperMe AI, a digital cloning. This one is near powered. So I found another one which is Seamless AI, which is useful for like lead generation, go to market, outbound, and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add it to the database, Seamless AI. So Seamless AI is more of a right. So I'm going to add it Seamless AI, and we're going to have the Zapier agent do its work. So I'm going to go to the Zapier agent, and I'm going to try to test. So when I say update Super AI, Seamless AI in the database, and it will attempt to do what needs to be done, basically. So the way the workflow works on Zapier agents is that there's a trigger. The trigger is I add a new item to the database on Notion, and it follows the instructions. With using these tools, it does it finds the website online. It does a Google search to find additional information, and then it updates the database item on Notion. Initially, I've tried this workflow with ChatGPT, where ChatGPT will furnish the rest of the information, but I realized that the Google search is more accurate than using ChatGPT, except ChatGPT was being used in like deep research or agent mode, where it has access to the internet directly. If that was not the case, it was just use information available in its training data and database, and most of the time that data is not accurate or up to date, right? So I'm going to try to fill this out with this method. So I'm going to open this to see if this database actually updates. We're going to see everything populate